Today you are going to design your own wedding dress. I'm going to show you how with my super easy dress designer app, which is on my website. Now, if you're getting married this year, you may have been visiting lots of boutiques and trying on heaps of styles. Many brides that I speak to, they find that they like the top of one dress and the skirt of another and maybe the sleeves of another, but they can't quite find them all in one dress. They haven't yet found the one. And often they then think about turning to a seamstress or a designer like me and think about having something custom made. So if you've been wedding dress shopping and you haven't quite found the one, stay with me and let's design your dress together. So to start off with, if you go on my website and just scroll to the top, you'll find a little tab which says Begin Designing, and it takes you through to my Dress Designer app. And the idea of the app is that it gets your creative juices flowing and it helps you identify what are the elements that you really love. You're very welcome to come to my studio. I have samples of all of the designs that are on the app for you to physically try on and see whether you like them in person as much as you do on the screen. I've also got lots of samples of fabric. Have a look at some lace designs. Look at the difference between organza and chiffon and georgette, whether you like silks or whether you prefer something that's a recycled fabric, maybe a polyester, maybe a viscose. I've got lots of different options and it's really, really good fun. But for today, let's just have a little play and enjoy ourselves together. Okay, so for the first bodice, let's try a boat neck. That's rather very simple, very nice and flattering. Do we want that? Yeah, I think a tulip skirt would be really nice. We don't really need any accessories. Reset. Next up, I know, why don't we try a more of a sheer look? That's rather nice with just a simple lace skirt. Now, I imagine that will have some kind of underlayer, but it doesn't have to have an ivory one. You could have a sort of nude underlayer. Right, simple strapless bodice. This one's a bit of a V-neck. And let's try a slightly fuller skirt. This one has got sort of slight curving around the edges, which is really nice. I do like it quite simple. I think that's rather nice. That's almost like a shawl wrap. Yeah, I think that will go. That will do. Next, let's try just a simple V-neck with a skirt. I think it needs a really simple skirt for this. Feels like it needs finishing off, maybe a belt. Yeah, sash is a bit too much, isn't it? It's quite nice being able to reset in between so we can just have another play. Okay, let's try another lace top. This one just perched on the shoulders. Again, a lovely fishtail skirt and just a very simple belt. This favourite, I love this kind of slightly corsety shape. It's very, I don't know, very dramatic, very contemporary. And once you've established your design, you can then scroll down and have a look at a little bit more information. I explain a little bit about you can customise your dress, look at the back of your dress, find out more about how it works, and how fittings and measuring works. I really hope you enjoyed having a little play with me today. It is really fun, isn't it? Just having a little experiment and trying out different silhouettes and seeing what you're drawn to. I think over our lifetime, our ideas sort of evolve, and necklines that we liked in our teens or our 20s are probably different to what we like in our 30s, 40s, 50s and beyond. If you do decide to go ahead and have a bespoke dress made, then print out a screenshot from the app once you've designed your dress and take it to your seamstress. It's very useful to be able to show something that accurately demonstrates how you would like your dress to look. It's very unlikely that it will completely encompass everything that you have in your vision. Most likely there will be features and accessories and elements that aren't included in the app, but that's fine. When you inquire, if you inquire to me or to another seamstress, then naturally you would probably send perhaps a few photos, little fragments of images of dresses that you've seen that you really liked. And all of these can be incorporated. If you have something custom made, then the world is your oyster. You can literally have what you like. So free your imagination, enjoy some creativity, and leave a comment and let me know how you got on and what your design looks like. Do subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming video, which tells you more about having a dress custom made, in particular the most frequently asked question, which is how much does it cost? I'm a bespoke wedding dress designer. I've done this for over 20 years and I've seen so many different designs and had so many different questions. I'd be delighted to answer any questions that you have. If you enjoyed this video, then do please like and comment, and I will see you next time.